Meaning of entrée.
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 Entrée. Entrée is a French word that refers to the main course or dish in a meal. In American English, it is typically used to describe a meat dish that is served as the main course, often with vegetables and/or starches. The term can also be used in a more general sense to refer to any dish served as a main course. Entrées are an important part of many cuisines and are often prepared using various cooking techniques and flavorings to create unique and delicious dishes that satisfy hunger and provide nourishment.